Hi friends, I'm Masita. Today I am going to teach about Laravel tutorial. Firstly, this this is the start video of Laravel for beginners tutorial. In this case, I am going to set up Laravel project and make a one-page pagination. For that, uh, Laravel is based on PHP. For that, we can go this link and get current supported version of PHP. Here 8, 7.4, 7.3 are supported. Initial release and also active support, the duration of active support, security support are given. Then firstly I am going to install PHP and Apache server. For that I go to this link. Then I will provide this link in the description too. Then I am going to download this. If you go, you can select more videos and select the platform. After that you can download previous version of PHP. Here I am going to download 7.4 PHP with XAMPP. It is downloading. After it is downloaded, you can open the XAMPP. Open this downloaded exe file and then go next and give the file path. I give it US7 or something and next 7.7415 or something next and select the language and select next and I'm going to next and install. I can go next, then that is installing. After install, I go to C XAMPP htdocs, not install, C XAMPP, and I can open this XAMPP control panel. Okay, then it is just like this XAMPP. Here there are multiple versions I am maintaining, that's why there are 7.2, 7.3, 7.4 because my all projects are in this XAMPP projects. Then I can I will show open XAMPP 7.3, then others are also just like that. Then I can open XAMPP control panel and run as administrator. And I can start Apache server and MySQL server. Okay, Apache server and MySQL server. If I minimize, that is go to here. That is go to here. I can open like this. This is I already opened. That's I showing this. Go to FileZilla start just like Apache start, MySQL start, just like that. We can start Apache server and MySQL server. MySQL for databases, Apache for web server. Okay. Then after that, I can go to the server by using here. I can go localhost and phpMyAdmin. This is my SQL server. I can create new database or something. Those will be taught in future. Likewise, then I am going to create a new Laravel project. For that, I will go to C XAMPP inside htdocs, and I select this and go to the path for here. Okay. Then talking about Laravel, in here in this link we can get LTS versions. LTS versions means long-term support versions. 5.5 is long-term support, 6 LT long-term support, but there can be more versions in the list. But when we make a project, we make the project using long-term support version, because the third-party application support and security fix support and bug fix support for long-term in LTS versions. Then I can go to here Laravel installation and I select long-term support version 6. Latest long-term support 6.x. And after that, firstly, this is the link for installation Laravel project. This link will be provided in the description. Then firstly, you should install this composer and download this composer and click composer setup exe and it will be download. Here there is command for Linux or something also. Okay, then we should go to right mouse this PC and go to properties. Go to advanced system settings and environmental variables and go to system variables, select path and select edit. Then here I provided the default path for MySQL and also default path for PHP. For that, I go to C XAMPP PHP. Here I can select, copy this path and open this, and after that I can change the path for default PHP and also MySQL also, just like that. I can go to XAMPP and select MySQL, and also I can go to the bin and select this path and I can paste it to here. Okay, just like that. I can select the base path, default path for those two. I open this installation, and firstly I install this composer. After that I'm going to select this composer create project. After install composer, I can select this and go to the command line. I'm going to paste that path and type the name of the project and hit enter. After successfully install the after successfully set up the my Laravel project, I can go inside, that is I name Laravel tutorial. I can go Visual Studio, VS Code, then open the project. Okay, here in app there is HTTP, there is controllers. I will explain that, and also there are modules, default created user model, and also there are inside resources. Inside resources there are views. There is blade template, that is Laravel templates. I will explain later, and also there are routes. The URL paths are there. Okay, I will explain those things in future. Then I can make the virtual server as PHP artisan serve. Then local server is in this link. I can copy that, and after that I can paste. This is my project. Here in routes web, in routes folder web PHP, there is if /route, then view welcome. View means resources views, that will redirect to welcome. I can change this as like this Laravel. Then I can change Hasita. After that I can hit enter, then let's go to change to Hasita. And also I can change this web path, then I can change the route just like home. Then I should /home, then it will redirect to Hasita. Okay, this is the beginning of Laravel for beginners tutorial. In future I will explain modules, controllers, views, and add bootstrap and authentications of Laravel, etc. For now, this video will be it. Please subscribe my channel, and I hope to continue this tutorial.